Keeping 30 green stalks watered throughout the summer can be challenging. Thank goodness we have the automatic watering system. That helps us keep it simple and stress-free. So hooking up this mini planters, we opted to get a hose splitter. I did one with 4. So I have 3 timers on this splitter. I like our timer because it allows me to set different intervals so I can run one line and then later run another line, and then after that run the 3rd line. That means they're not all running at the same time, so the water pressure doesn't go down. I bought 3 short hoses, and you use your hose connector to hook onto that hose and then onto your first 52-inch black tubing. So after you put on your first 52-inch piece of tubing, you're going to connect your T. That's when you put your second piece of tubing on, just like that down at the bottom. You're going to connect your valve and your spout, and that is going to clip in and hang right over the water reservoir. So the system comes with a spring lid to help keep debris out and to keep the water flow in if you have real high pressure. So you will just repeat the process all the way down for however many planters that you have until you come to the last one. On the last one, you're going to use the tubing elbow, which will just direct the flow up to the last one and cuts it off. One of the most common questions that we get is, how do I rotate my planter when it's hooked up on the automatic watering system? For me, what I do out here is I use 2 clips, and I'll put 2 clips on the other side. If you want to do them all, we have extra parts online. You can order any of these parts that you need. So you can do 2 full sets on both sides, but on mine, I do 2. I unsnap it, I spin it around, and I snap it back in. It takes 2 seconds to do, it's not hard. Another thing that we have online that you can order is a coupling. If you need more distance between your planters, you can order the coupling and then hook 2 pieces up to spread them out. The tubing is very easy to cut, so you can make that distance however much you need. My motto is work smarter, not harder. Happy gardening.